Have you ever wondered if a cordless vacuum can really replace a traditional full-size vacuum cleaner? Today we are taking a complete look at the Dyson V11 cordless vacuum and checking everything that matters before buying. We are testing cleaning performance, suction power, different power modes, battery design, cleaner head technology, attachments, maintenance, and how practical this vacuum feels for everyday use. Because choosing a vacuum is not only about having a powerful motor or a premium design. The real question is how well it performs when you are cleaning real messes around your home. I've also added the product link in the description below so you can check the latest price and details anytime. A good vacuum needs to handle hard floors, carpets, dust, hair, and larger debris while still being simple and comfortable to use every day. So let's take a complete look at the Dyson V11 and see if it delivers the performance you expect from a premium cordless vacuum. Starting with the real cleaning performance, because this is the most important test for any vacuum cleaner. A vacuum can have impressive numbers and features, but the real value comes from how well it actually cleans your home. During cleaning tests, the Dyson V11 shows strong performance across different surfaces. When dealing with small particles, everyday dust and larger debris, the combination of suction power and cleaner head design helps remove dirt effectively. On hard floors, the vacuum moves smoothly and collects debris without simply pushing it around the surface. This is important because some vacuums can pick up fine dust but struggle when the debris becomes larger. The Dyson V11 is designed to handle different types of messes, so you can move from one cleaning situation to another without constantly changing your setup. On carpets, performance becomes even more important. Dust, dirt, and hair can hide deep inside carpet fibers, where weaker vacuums may only clean the surface. The stronger suction helps reach deeper into the carpet and remove dirt that is not always visible. This makes a difference for homes with pets, kids, or areas that collect a lot of dust. Now looking at the different cleaning modes. The Dyson V11 gives you multiple power options depending on the situation. Eco mode is designed for longer cleaning sessions when you want more runtime and efficient battery use. This mode is useful for regular daily cleaning when you do not need maximum power. Auto mode gives a balance between suction performance and battery life. For many users, this will be the main mode because it automatically gives a good combination of cleaning power and efficiency. When you need the strongest performance, boost mode provides maximum suction. This is useful for heavy dirt, deep carpet cleaning, or areas that need extra power. Having different modes is important because every cleaning job is different. You do not always want maximum power, and you do not always want to save battery. The V11 allows you to choose the right setting for the right moment. Now moving to the design and controls. The Dyson V11 keeps a modern cordless design that focuses on convenience. The trigger system gives instant control. When you press the trigger, the vacuum starts immediately, and when you release it, the machine stops. This helps save battery because the vacuum is only running when you are actually cleaning. The display screen adds another useful feature. Instead of guessing your settings, you can see important information while using the vacuum. It helps you understand the cleaning mode and keeps you updated during your cleaning session. This makes the experience feel smarter and easier compared with many basic cordless vacuums. Now let's look at the battery system. For a cordless vacuum, battery performance is one of the biggest factors. The Dyson V11 is designed to balance strong suction with practical runtime. For quick cleaning around the house, lower power modes help extend battery life. When you need deeper cleaning, higher power is available instantly. The removable battery design also adds more convenience. Being able to remove the battery makes the system more flexible and helps with long-term usability. Now moving to the cleaner head and roller system. This is where the vacuum actually connects with the floor, so the design is extremely important. The Dyson V11 cleaner head is built to work across multiple surfaces. It helps pick up fine dust, larger debris, and hair while maintaining smooth movement. The roller system is especially helpful because hair can become a problem for many vacuums. Over time, hair wrapping around the brush can reduce performance and make cleaning more difficult. The Dyson design helps make this easier to manage and keeps maintenance more convenient. The movement of the cleaner head is another important advantage. When cleaning a home, you need to move around furniture, corners, and tight spaces. The flexible design allows the vacuum to turn smoothly and reach difficult areas. You can clean under furniture, around objects, and in areas where a larger vacuum would be harder to use. Now, looking at attachments and extra cleaning options. The Dyson V11 is not limited to only floor cleaning. With different attachments, you can clean many areas around your home. You can use it for stairs, sofas, corners, cars, and smaller spaces where a normal vacuum cannot easily reach. The quick attachment system allows you to switch tools easily depending on the cleaning job. This makes the V11 feel like a complete cleaning solution instead of only a cordless floor vacuum. Now let's talk about maintenance. A vacuum is not just about how well it performs on the first day. It also needs to stay easy to clean and maintain over time. The roller head can also be cleaned when needed. Hair, dust, and debris can build up around the brush area, so being able to access these spots helps keep everything working properly. This is one of the things that makes a vacuum easier to own for a long time. After looking at cleaning power, different modes, battery, attachments, movement, and maintenance, the Dyson V11 brings everything together into a premium cordless package. It is designed for people who want strong cleaning performance without carrying around a large traditional vacuum. For daily cleaning, quick messes, carpets, hard floors, and pet hair, it gives the flexibility needed in a modern home. So, is the Dyson V11 worth considering? If you want a cordless vacuum with strong suction, smart controls, flexible movement, useful attachments, and simple maintenance, the Dyson V11 is a very strong choice. It combines power and convenience in a way that makes everyday cleaning easier. It is not only about cleaning faster, but also about making the entire process more comfortable. If you want to check the latest price or availability of the Dyson V11, you can find the link in the description below. Overall, for anyone looking for a premium cordless vacuum that can handle different cleaning situations around the home, the Dyson V11 remains one of the best options to consider.